Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. Today is Transfer Tuesday. I just want to do a quick update on my student loan. Every week I've made it a point to pay something on my student loan. No matter what, even if I don't have money, I still have to figure out where I can get money to put towards my student loan. I hope everybody is doing very well, so keep watching. This is your girl Josy. Today is Transfer Tuesday. My student loan update is every Tuesday. That's what I've put my Transfer Tuesday to. I don't know what you do on Transfer Tuesday. Are you investing? Are you paying off debt? Are you doing some savings? Whatever you are doing on Transfer Tuesday is great. You're doing very well. Go, girl. Go, bro. You're doing very well. Everything that you are doing on Transfer Tuesday is great. If it's a little $1 that you are putting towards savings, you are doing great. So today, let's go ahead and see what is going on. But before we do that, I have my little motivational message here. It said, you can do hardest things. Yes, you just have to put your mind towards it, work it out slowly, no rushing, and you can do the other things. It's going to be hard. Nobody is telling you it's easy. Anybody that tell you it's easy, they are lying to you. So today, let's look at my student loan. You guys know that in 2022, I started with, I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom it just a little. Let's see. Okay. So I started with $93,609.63. 2023, I started with $74,000. In 2024, I started with $57,421.10. And as of last week, we end up with $56,032, which we reach a milestone 40% out of 100%. We are getting there. Today, when I wake up, my starting balance was $56,097.26. Payment that I'm making today, I don't really have a lot of money for this week, but I'm trying to pay off the balance that is on the 56. So I'm paying the $97.26. That's how much I'm paying. This $97.26, I'm putting my usual $20 that I always do, and I'm paying the difference from my bank account, which I budget, and normally I will have like a leftover or carry forward when I do my bills, because I run up most of my bills. So I'll have money in the account. So I'm putting towards $97.26. So if we do that, then the balance for today will be $56,000. So as of today, we have exactly $56,000 left. I'm sure with interest and stuff, they're going to go up, because last week we ended up with $56,032. And when I came back this week, it has went up a little bit with interest. So every time the interest is getting me, because I started the year with 57 and we're already in March. So it looked like I have paid just roughly about $1,000, 400 and some, which is not much, but I have been paying a lot. So you can see that all the money is going to interest, because they resume the interest and all the money are going towards that. So our percentage to debt free will be So I have my calculator here. So it's gonna be 56,000 divided by 93. That's the starting balance that I started updating you guys, which before this one I've already paid a lot of loans. So as of today, we are at 40.18%. So it didn't go up that much, but it's okay. We are still working towards it. So I'm still going to do my $20 that I do every week. Then if I have to pay any money, I'll just make sure I go through my budget to see where I can get extra money from. We are trying to tighten our budget to make sure we do other stuff while I'm paying off the student loan. So I really want to pay it down, but there are so many stuff that we have to do. We have to cut down a lot of stuff to move this student loan. That hopefully I'm praying that all those stuff will go down. Then I can put a chunk of money towards my student loan. But 56,000, I will take it. Super excited that I'm able to pay it off and I'm paying. Hopefully I'm going to be debt free. If not this year, let's hope for next year. Yeah, so that's the update for week 2. Super excited. For those of you who have been asking me whether I have this in my shop, I still don't have it yet. I'm planning of putting it in my shop, but I already have. This is my tracker. It's kind of like a motivational tracker. I already have it in the shop, and it's digital, so you just download it right there and you print it out. So this is what I've been using to track it. I can't wait to get to the last part, which is there. It has a little motivational that keep you going. Like slow progress is still a progress. We are getting there. Don't give up. It always seems impossible until it's done. Yes, we finish. Your finish line is in sight. We are almost there. So really, we are debt free. So this is how it look like. So you guys can go grab it if you want it. But this one, not yet. I'm still like kind of working on it, how I'm going to put them on my Etsy shop. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're going to do any money move on this Transfer Tuesday. I really appreciate everybody stopping by, especially my new subscribers. Thank you. My OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. But remember, you can do the harder things. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful.